slash replace all occurrences of a word in the last command. Almost by mistake, I figured out you could do something like. And that runs the same command with bar2.data instead of bar1.data. Now, how about if I have multiple occurrences of the target word? For example, it only replaces the first data extension. How do I get it to replace both?
I think data_index is equivalent to column s/data/index, so it will only substitute the first word. If you want the whole line substituted, I think you'll have to use column gs/data/index/.
You can do it by adding ::n to the end. ::n will replace two occurrences. $g and will replace all. Side note, in the book, Command Line Kung Fu, it says that ::n will replace all.
If you want to support the channel, please engage subscribing.